In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then you need to scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Following that, select Font Settings right away and operate this slider under text size to adjust it. When you're ready, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!